YouTube, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to be playing with slime, and I think this is going to be really fun. It might be a little sticky because I put it in cold water, and I put it in cold water, and I think it got more sticky and stuck to people. So now let's open it. Oy. That's so jiggly. Like it's gonna stick. Nope. 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 Oh. Oh. Yep. It's stuck. Ew, it's so cold. Like I could just like push it. If you guys have never played with slime, you need to play with it. Look at this. There's like nothing stuck to me.
Nathan.
What?
Been 51 minutes.
Cool. I'm playing with slime. Trying to make a video here. Yeah, I don't know what to do. It's just, there's like so many things. I don't know. Like,
Sean, make something with it.
how do you make something with slime?
I don't know.
Ooh, that is so like cold. I'm gonna switch it. Wait. I'm gonna see what happens if I drop my phone in the slime. You guys want to find out? Oh gosh. Nothing. It's just a little bit like, not even wet. And this phone is waterproof, so it's fine. I like this little bubble. Little bubble. Pop. Pop! There you go, it popped. No, I don't want to use this hand because I already... What the heck? Okay, I'm going to try to attempt to put it in the silly sludge canister. I'm doing this all with one hand. That's just, if I put it in my hand, I'm just going to... Oh! That did not work. Get in there. Oh, no, this is not working well. I'm trying to, like, throw it in there. That looks so weird. If you guys saw that, that looks so weird. Ew. If you guys ever get the chance to play with slime, please play with it. It's so, like, weird. You guys stuck to me a little bit. Dang it. And look. If I pull some out, it's dripping from the canister. And it's still going. Okay. There you go. But what is there to do with it? No, I don't want to use the hand. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to lick it. Psych, I would never do that. No, that's toxic. You guys actually thought I was going to eat it? No. 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 Oh, there's like handprint now. No. You guys want to see something cool? If I put... Oh, wrong way. If I put... If I put this in here. I'm gonna drop my phone in it again. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. It's stuck. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video because now my phone is ruined. Psych, it's not ruined. I was just kidding. I think that's all I want to do. No, that's not all I want to do with it. I want to do something fun. Cheekies,
What?
give me a Lego figure.
No. I don't even know.
Great, now I have to get everything myself. I'm taking one of yours though. Okay, I got a Lego figure. I don't know why he just leaves these out. So I got this guy. Who cares what it is? Yes! Meltinous! It's, okay, I'm gonna put you in the canister with the slime and see what happens. It's like one of those surprise egg videos that no one likes. They're so annoying. They're so annoying. Babies like them, not 11-year-olds and 12-year-olds and stuff like that. They're like, look at. That made such a weird sound. Wait. Oh gosh, this guy is like stuck. Chickies.
What am I doing?
Yeah, he's sticking a hand out. He's sticking his hand out. Yeah, that's not working. He's so wiggly. And no, I did not get this on Christmas. Got this, I bought it at the store since I had enough money. They're at JC, just JC, regular JC, the food store, and they're only $1.50.
And Southbrook, Indiana.
Cheekies, why do you tell them where we live? Why'd you tell them?
They don't know.
Yeah, they do. They know where we live now. Yeah, they do. I see you playing on the computer.
Because it's we went to JC.
I can see you playing on the computer. I'm zooming in. Okay, let's do this. Wait, I want to zoom in on the slime. Ready for the cinematics? Dum, 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 dum. No, I'm kidding. I don't have cinematics. All I have is dropping phone and slime. Oh my gosh, the phone's so wiggly. It's still. Oh no, there's stuff on it now. It's fine though. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, there's slime on. Dang it, there's slime on the phone. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how wiggly it is. Oh, please don't be on my screen. Please don't be on my screen. Whew. Because I just got this today. I didn't get it today. Yeah, I got it today. Like, very in the morning. No?
No, did you got it yesterday?
Yeah, I got it yesterday. The phone, I got it yesterday. Because it was 12. And we opened all our presents at 12.
And right now it's 12.
Yeah, right now it's 12. I have a watch with me right now, so can't tell me the wrong time. Okay. Oh. Yeah. I think that's gonna end the video here. I'm gonna have to try to clean this up because I'm gonna get in big trouble if I don't. And this slime is actually easy to clean up because you just like roll it. Boom, boom. See, all that stuff that was right there right now, it's all gone now. Look, see, that thing is gone now. What the heck? It's like magic. I just dropped the sludge. Where'd it go, sludge? Oh, there it is. You guys can't really see it because I don't know how to hold cameras. I'm kidding, I do. Wait, you think I'm not an unprofessional YouTuber? Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Oh gosh, it's getting a bigger mess if I do that. If I do the fast way. Gotta go slow and steady. This sucks. It's so hard to clean up. Remember when I said it was easy? Never mind. This part won't clean up. Fine. How about this? Will that clean it up? Huh? Yeah? Better clean up. Yeah, I think that's gonna end the video here. Oh no. Yeah, that's gonna totally end the video here. Subscribe, like, share. Make sure you watch all my videos, like all my videos, subscribe. Make sure you share with friends and family and all that. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be wet heads. I know I keep talking about it, but it will be wet heads, and I will soon do it. It might be tomorrow or someday in December. I'm trying to make it in December. Wet heads, the board game, not the board game, but it's like this helmet that you wear. It's this helmet that you wear, and then you have to like pull out a stick and try not to get a wet head, I guess, because you have to try not to trigger the wrong one, because if you do trigger the wrong one, then you get splattered with water or whatever you put inside. You could put anything like juice, milk, hot sauce. That'll be extreme wet heads. I will have to do that one day. But not soon. Someday. But not that soon, because my brother will be scared to do that. Because you'll be scared to do wet head with hot sauce. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If it gets in my mouth, that would be delicious. But, oh gosh, where'd the sludge go? There it is. The sludge canister. Yeah, that's going to end the video. Like I said, it says like, subscribe, share, and make sure you watch all my videos and tune in for the Wet Heads video that's coming sometime in December or tomorrow. Oh gosh. Goodbye.